Hello guys, this is Masolak Visual. Welcome back again to our channel. We are back again with another ArchiCAD tip and trick. And today's video will try and be educational as possible, as always, and just give you guys tips and tricks as usual into producing whatever you want to produce, architecture presentations, tutorials. So in today's video, I'll be covering just an easy way of producing isometric diagrams. And you see this isometric diagram was made in ArchiCAD, and I'm sure you always see amazing pictures on YouTube and Instagram and daily magazines online, man. So if you're an inspiring content creator, this topic is for you in terms of ArchiCAD. So it's possible to produce exploited isometric views in ArchiCAD. You know, isometric views are just another way of representing your architecture, representing your designs. It's just in an artistic view, and you are able to express architecture on a new level. You know, concepts much more related to the digital world now. So yeah, let's get into it. There are two methods in ArchiCAD which you could use. Just show you just two tips. Maybe I'm sure there are a lot, but as far as I'm concerned, I only know two methods. All right. So the model has to be in an isometric view. What you need to do is there's a control, what you call quick tip, Control plus Shift and F3. Control plus Shift F3. That will take you to the parallel projection settings, where you could choose the views, either isometric views, top views, and stuff like that. These views. So what you do is Control plus Shift, hold Control Shift and F3. This is method 1, guys. Okay, that's method 1. And then you choose the view you want to use. So for instance, I'll choose the isometric axonometric view. This is what I want. This is how I'm going to filter my model or my cue. And my cue with this light my cue. And my cue with the light my cue. So I'm marking different levels. This is a double story, guys. So I'm marking different levels and then saving views. So topics in this video are topics that we're going to cover. It's just saving views, 3 documents, and then layouts, and then yeah, basically it. And then in saving views, what you need to do is, since you mark the ground floor, then you save a view. You right click and save a view, and then that's just it. First you're creating a document. You're creating this document, right? This is a floor plan. I mean a 3 document. And then you create a 3 document by, right clicking and then new 3 document, then click, and then name of the 3 document, and then that's it. And then the document creates its own window. It's listed in the document folder and the project map, of which we are going to take it back to the view maps by saving layers. So that's just it. And then to adjust the content settings and display of the 3 document, you can just adjust that source view and stuff like that. But that's basically on how you create a 3 document. You right click and then go to new 3 document. That's it. For every view, for every floor, I meant to say. The floor plan, you mark the floor plan, and then that's just it. Then new 3 document, that's just it. And then name your document for every floor level. The roofing. So you're creating, this is how this views, you're going to align them in creating our own isometric view illustration. That's basically it. I'm just showing you step by step, guys. That's was the first possibility we could use. So I'm just saving this quick 3 documents real quick. And then, as I said, after creating these documents, they're going to be listed in the document folders. So what you're going to do now, you have to go save the views. You right click, save a view. Right click, save a view. And then that's just it. Saved views, this is just the basis for creating architectural drawings that are going to be placed in the layouts. So these views are the ones that you're going to use in the layout. So to save a view, like I said, follow the steps. Click save, right click, and click save view from the viewpoint content menu. And then, yeah, that's just it. You create the settings, and then the view will be stored, of which you could, the stored settings could, a combination of layers, scale, pen sets, and stuff like that. You choose your view, and that's just basically how you save a view. And then here, the view settings dialog box appears, like you see how it's here, and then it allows you to modify settings before saving. Yeah, you can modify a lot of things before saving. The graphic overrides, the layers, combinations, the pen sets, like I said. Okay. And then in the graphic overrides here, you can you choose how to display your model, either in a solid view, in a solid presentation view, in a drafting, just color, the appearance, predefined color of your model, how you want it to appear. So here we chose to go with the presentation solid, the graphite presentation solid, of which you could choose whatever you want to go with in terms of your display model. So just showing you. Alright, so we saved our views, right? We saved our views, and then, like you see, this is the four views we saved from the 3 documents we created. Now we save the view for them to be placed in the layout. So that's just it. For final documentation, guys, you need to create views, of which we have videos of this kind of in-depth tutorial and the past videos. So here I'm just gonna be quick and just browsing through real quick, but you could tap into them, and I'll leave the links into the description box, and then you could go check them out. Right, I said we're going to the layouts, right? The master layouts. I'm creating a layout book here, and then I'm going to drag my views. I'm going to drag my views into the layout that I've created. Already, if you don't know how to use this master layouts and playing around with master layouts and layouts, check out our videos in the link in the description. That will teach you, and in terms of diving deep into this topic. But here I was just being real quick, browsing through. So what I'm going to do, since our views are scaled up, I'm just dragging the views and the layout. So I created an A1 in the landscape. It's an A1 landscape. This is just for presentation drawings, guys. We are doing exploded views. This is method 1. I just drag it, and then I scaled it down. The scale is 150, so I have to draw lines in the layout. Those black dotted lines. I just draw them here to align my ground floor with this first floor. So what I did, those lines will guide me. Yes. I hope you're following suit, and I hope take your time, watch this till the end, watch it over and over again. You could do better, I know, but I'm just showing you a tip here. Just showing you a tip which you could even expand further, but it's just an idea. An idea could spark a lot of new ideas. I mean, maybe you wanted to do the same thing, you could do it as well. So the lines are lining, but since, like I said, this is method 1, you could see there's something wrong here. I don't want this wall here to be shown into that first floor, which it's another way of saying I didn't do it right. Okay, I'll show you guys another method. So I'm almost done with the method 1. But yeah, I'm done with method 1. This is the method 1 complete. I'm just going to drag and align my views that I've created. I'm just aligning them using those dotted lines reference points. Yeah, and then I drag the last view. The roof, and then I'm gonna have to scale it as well. Yeah. This is an idea, just guys. This is just an idea. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Let's discuss a few things. Share your ideas. Maybe you have your own method of doing this stuff. You could share. If you have another software, just share ideas. Let's talk, guys. Let's we've built this community for you guys. We're building a community here. Alright. So yeah, I think everything is aligning. It's coming quite good. It's an exploded Axonometric View. This could be for your Instagram pages, for your presentation drawings, whatever you have a client. It's another way of delivering projects, man. And then Axonometric views are a type of representing that goes beyond the traditional, two-dimensional context drawings. It allows you, to understand more of the drawing. I think, you could show a bit of interiors there. Combining section and plan in a 3-dimensional way. It's another way, man. Anyway, I think it's aligned. You could save now. This is method 1. It was just let's recap. Control Shift F3, and then choose your parallel section, settings, and then Axonometric View. Create a 3 document, save a view, and then drag to layouts, just like that. My queue, 3 document. Stuff like that. Awesome stuff. Okay, let's go to method 2. These lines, I'm not happy with them. You could make them black. You could make these lines black. Let's do method 2. Method 2, guys. Go to window. Bring down the toolbars. And then go to 3D visualization palette. Bring down the 3D visualization palette. This is what we're going to use. First of all, and then click that the visualization palette, and then the parallel projection settings. We are going for Axonometric View, guys. Remember, and then click it, and then this is how we're going to filter our model, guys. And then click the filter. And we are going to select the limited, and then click on limited. This is how you're going to filter your model from floor to floor, ground floor to ground floor, first floor to first floor. That's basically it. And then you click. This is how you filter your model. Here it differs from how you mark Q, because remember when you mark Q, you could mark Q things from another floor. If the wall goes to another projection, you filtered. This is how you filter. This toolbar contains a very good 3D window displays and 3D navigation commands. And then after you filter your model, you repeat the process that we did in the method 1. You save a 3D document, you right click. Remember how we click, we create 3 documents. You right click and then go to new document, 3 document, and then name it. There's another a saved view. You have to create a 3 document first. So that's what we do. We repeat the same process. After we go back to filter. I'm going to filter again. We're happy with the document. This is the ground floor document. Right. And then we repeat the same process. We save the view for the layout. Remember, here you can play around with your graphic overrides, your pen sets, your area, your scale, and then you could name, and then if you're happy you could just create. So we created our view, which is going to create its own on the view map. Alright, so that's basically it. We are repeating the same process, but here we are just the difference between the methods. The first method we are using MyQ and manual parallel projection settings, and then this one we are using 3D command, 3D commands, visualization displays. Alright, so I'm happy with that. We're going to filter again. We click on that model filter command, and then first floor to first floor. Remember we created limited, so we are limiting the projections. So we are just we want floor by floor. So you click OK. This is the first floor, and then you repeat the commands. You created 3 document. You save it, and then you just repeat the commands, guys. And I'm pretty sure now, maybe if you didn't know how to create 3 documents, I hope you've learned a few things from this video. Please, if you liked it, would love you to give us a thumbs up and share, comment your thoughts, your way of working, your workflow. This is just our workflow, guys. And then I wanted to show you guys a tip and trick. I wanted to keep it as educational as possible. We covered topics like saving views, 3 documents, layouts, and model filtering, and if there are in-depth videos, in-depth tutorials of such topics in our YouTube channel. We'd love you guys to check them out. I'll leave the link on the description for you guys to check them out. So let me wrap up here. Last 3 document, and then I go to align my model views and the master layouts, and of which there are other tutorials of master layouts and working with master layouts and layouts. So my views are good. This is the last view. You create the save view. That's the importance. There's an importance of working with views, guys. So these are the views. These are the views I'm going to use. Alright. So there we are. This is what I have. Let me take them to my layouts. Remember, I created an A1, but I increased the pages for my views to get in all of them. So I'm going to align them here. I'm going to align them. First of all, I'll create a line in the center that will guide me. And then and then select the center of that, then dish inside. Okay. Here now I'm just dragging and dropping. That's the importance of working with views. Now you just drag and drop. You just drag and drop. Drag and drop. And drag and drop. So I'm going to create lines from just to align all my views. I'll use lines. But I hope you are getting the concept, because you always see nice diagrams on Instagram, nice diagrams in magazines, nice diagrams in ArchiDaily and Riva, this architectural digest magazines. So maybe you're wondering how these guys achieve such things. I was just showing this is possible. We are all artists. We can all do this. Imagine having an 8-story building. 8-story building. You can produce nice diagrams. You can be creative and use the sections. The way you play around with the model filters. And then you hide layers. Play around. There's a lot of opportunities using the softwares, guys. There's a lot of opportunities. And SketchUp could do this, ArchiCAD could do this, Revit I'm sure it could do this. Let's be creative, guys. Let's stay creative. Let's stay creative. Alright, I'm just dragging my views here, guys. I'm dragging my views. Yeah. I'm happy with what's coming out. I'm happy with what's coming out. And then create a line for alignment. Creating a line for alignment. Guys. Alright, you could choose a line, because the first one I didn't give much attention to those lines, and it didn't come out quite good. So this one is I'm trying to make it outstanding and nice. Yep. These lines are just sort of grid lines. Grid lines. So I'm just for alignment. For alignment, guys. Just taking my time. And bring back the last view. This model, I'll leave this model in the description for you guys to download and practice and see how I've done it. It's in a template file. It's in an MS Beam template file. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to check it out and practice. Use this in your lecture hall rooms, use this in your classrooms, in your tutorials, and whatever you want to use this model for, guys. You can check it out. You can check it out. Yeah. So this is what we have so far, guys. An exploded view. An exploded view, guys, and it's just an easy way of using this isometric diagrams in ArchiCAD. I'm glad you see the outcome. I hope you see the outcome of what we could achieve using ArchiCAD. This is what we have so far. But now you could go further. This could be a starting point. If you have a studio of graphic designers, you could give them this and play around with them. Play around with such graphics. For more outstanding outlook, you could give, your animations guys. You can play around with those presentations. You could save one by one and then animate it, whatever, those motion graphics guys. But as for us in the studio, we could do this, and already, done a few with the team. It's an amazing animation motion graphic. It's it's just about presentation and the way you deliver project as. Let's be unique. It's an information age. It's a digital era, so we need to display our works in an informative, outstanding, and creative way. So if you want to learn more, hit us up. Click like our video, subscribe if you are new here for more videos like this. If you want to outsource such services, you could reach us out. Let's form a community of a network of creatives, guys. Well, we've come to the end of our video, guys. I was just showing you just a tip and trick of how we could achieve this, and it's possible. You could take this to Photoshop and beef it up. You could take this to Premiere, to After Effects, just to beef it up. But this was ArchiCAD. I was just showing you the possibilities of ArchiCAD. This is possible in ArchiCAD. It's a demo reel. There's, not really a step-by-step tutorial per se, but a demonstration of what we could achieve using ArchiCAD if we put our thoughts and minds behind the creative aspect behind ArchiCAD. Alright, guys. We've come to the end of our video. I think we are happy. I'm happy with whatever I was doing here. I'm just showing you the possibilities, like I said. And be creative, guys. Stay creative. And I'd like to thank you guys for the support you've been showering us with for the past year, for the past months. It was amazing. And it's really amazing. We appreciate you guys. Thank you, and stay creative, stay blessed. As always, let's stay creative, guys. Alright. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, watch till the end. Smash that like button. Watch the video till the end. And I want to show you the possibility of a mixture of having a creative mind in the studio, what they can achieve, what we can achieve if we fused our minds together. Anyway, just cleaning up. Last few touches. Last few touches. copy. I don't know. That's too much. Scale it again. Yeah. And then fix. One more touches. I can clean my tackle block and save Axo 2 and make this color and then save. Alright, this is what we have. You can play around, beef it up, take it to Photoshop, take it to Illustrator, take it to whatever software you're competent with. You could take it there and beef it up more. But this was a raw file, a kit file, straight from ArchiCAD. I'll show you if it was possible. Yeah. Bye for now. Stay creative. Enjoy the next video. I was just showing you the possibilities in After Effects. Stay creative.